For this video, we are going to be talking about the minimum and maximum function. So I'm just going to add the minimum here, the mean. The mean is the short form for minimum, and the max. So how we do this, we can do this by going to the formulas bar and finding it in one of these books. So for minimum function, we can try and see if we can find it in the math and trig. So in the M, it's not there. So there are more functions. Minimum is usually found in the statistical. So we go to the M, let's see, where is it? The minimum, there. So you find the minimum. It opens the function arguments window. So what it tells us, it's going to find the minimum value in cell B4 through B11. So from B4 to B11, but that's not the range that we want, because it's telling us it's going to find all of this. But this is the area that we want to find the minimum value. So you highlight. So you've highlighted B4 to B8, then you hit OK. So it returns a value of 400, and if we can look at our values, 400 is the minimum value. So we can just drag or fill across by using our fill handle. Then for the maximum value, instead of going to the books, because some functions you won't be finding, you won't know where all the functions are in these books, because all these books have different functions. See, all these books have different functions. So an easier way is you can type in the word or what you're looking for, say max, then you double click, then highlight the area, then close the brackets, then hit OK. So it returns the maximum value, and you can see it in there. It's the 1000, which is found in the cost of goods sold. So for this one, you just click and drag. So you remember I showed you another way to do this is looking at your status bar. So if you can highlight this, we can see here we have the minimum as 400. So our formula is working correctly, and the maximum is 1000. So that's how you find the minimum and maximum values in a range.